Pyjama is lots of fun. Pyjama drama is for
Everyone. We love to sing, we love to play. Drama is for every day. Drama is for every day. Every single day. That's right. Hooray! Because it's drama day. It's not a live session today. But what today is another one of our drama tutorials. Can you do drama tutorials? So we can learn different techniques in our drama, which will make our play, our imaginative games, much, much bigger and better. We can make big stories and act loads of things out and do loads of funny things because we don't need props. We don't need costumes. We just need our imagination. I have to use a lot of imagination in our live sessions because you guys make brilliant suggestions and I have to put them into the storylines as we go. But I have to do that really quickly, on the spot. That's the spot, on the spot. And I have to do it so quick so that we can keep our story going. That is something called improvisation. Yes, improvisation. And we can improvise with our words and our stories. It might be that Paul thinks the story's going to end with someone just really sad because something has happened. But all of a sudden I have to improvise and change that ending. It might be now that somebody's really happened because somebody's really happy because something else has happened. Improvising. But not only do we improvise that, we also improvise the show itself. We improvise what props we use, what things actually are. They might be different things. But that requires our brain to really work quickly. Constantly thinking, and often thinking of different things. If not, it would just be very much plain and simple. So, I'm going to give you a little game that you can play at home to really help those brains work quickly and come to lots of imaginative ideas and improvisation. It's called the object naming game. It's very simple. I have some objects here. This object is a water bottle. This object is a pencil. I've shrunk. It's just a very big pencil. This object here is a cuddly toy. And this object here is a t-shirt. All you need to do is have a look around and point at objects and name them. Cuddly toy, t-shirt, pencil, water bottle. Then quickly, water bottle, pencil, cuddly toy, t-shirt. Water bottle, pencil, cuddly toy, t-shirt. As quick as you can. Water bottle, pencil, cuddly toy, t-shirt. Water bottle, pencil, cuddly toy, t-shirt. Quicker. Water bottle, pencil, cuddly toy, t-shirt. Gets really, really frenetic, which is a word for really fast thinking. But what if I have to change things around? How does my brain take all that in? What we do is this. I want you to now look at those same objects. But every time you look at an object, instead of saying what it's actually called, I want you to say something completely different. Teddy bear. Cake. Mermaid. Chocolate log. Should we try that again? Seahorse. Egg. Trumpet. Blancmange. I think I've lost my marbles. I never had any marbles. But that game, played over and over and over, around your house, can really, really help us to get that imagination thinking of different things instantly. So when you're in the middle of a show and you need to say something and think of something quick, your brain will work as quick as that. Dog, cat, rainbow, cloud. Have a go today. Have a look around your room and point out things. First of all, naming them as they are. Ceiling, floor, Paul. Ceiling, floor, Paul. Get quicker and quicker and quicker. And then start pointing at the same things, but call them something completely different. Mermaid. Have a lot of fun, guys, and we'll see you really, really soon for some more Pyjama Drama fun. Take care, everyone. Go anywhere and be anyone. Bye!